Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a look at the Blu-ray multi-screen edition of Tim Burton's version of Dumbo. Now, this is a kind of embossed slipcover. You can see in the light that Dumbo is perforated, so is the logo there. There isn't any holographic effects to it at all, though, so there's no, other than just it's a very glossy slipcover, there's nothing reflective or prismatic about it. Now, on the side of the case, it's kind of a almost gray fading to white aesthetic, and then it has Tim Burton's version of Dumbo standing on one of those, whatever you call those things. Now, the back of the box, it does advertise the bonus features. They don't really tell you much about the movie. They pretty much assume that you have seen a version of Dumbo before. There's only two, the old one and this one. But the bonus features, it really emphasizes the deleted scenes, the bloopers. There is a making of. Knowing Disney, it's probably not that extensive of a making of, since their DVDs lately seem to be pretty light on extras. Actually, I should say the Blu-rays, because the DVD discs typically have no bonus features. Then this also comes with a digital copy. The digital copy code might reveal if there's a digital exclusive. That seems to be a pretty common trend for Disney as well lately. And this comes out at the end of June. I think the digital release is a few days ahead. You'll be able to pick this up in just a couple of weeks. So we do have quite an early look at the Blu-ray packaging for you here. Now underneath, it really just replicates the same artwork that we saw around on the other side. Opening it up, we do have that digital code, which I do need because I'll need to review the digital aspects. And it does say there is an exclusive Dreamland Anatomy of a Scene. So there is a digital exclusive bonus feature. So if you aren't collecting your digital copy, you're going to miss out on that bonus feature. So that Disney really does incentivize you to actually redeem your copy through Movies Anywhere, and that's usually where you watch those bonus digital features. There's also a promotion for Disney Movie Club. It's been updated to include Ralph Breaks the Internet, and then on the back here does have some of the more recent features from Disney, including Mary Poppins Returns, Christopher Robin, Nutcracker in the Four Realms, and the Walt Disney Signature Collection of Little Mermaid. And then underneath that was the DVD disc. No disc art, pretty common for Disney. Now, I didn't love this version of Dumbo. I rank it pretty low amongst the Disney live-action remakes. It just felt like they drew the story out farther than there's actually meat to do so with. Dumbo almost felt like an afterthought. The emphasis was really on a lot of the human characters. And so, I mean, it's not bad. It was just so-so. So I wasn't in a rush to get this one home, but you may feel differently. So if this was one of your favorite films of the year, obviously you're really excited to have it. If you haven't seen it before, I do recommend renting it first before you buy it if you are interested in seeing it, or you could wait for Disney Plus, because this will probably be a launch day title there. You can pick this up in just a couple weeks. Look for a full written review on laughingplace.com within the next couple of days. We're going to dive in and dissect all of the bonus features. We'll do a great write-up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.